So this is the power steering pump that came out of my 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I need to remove this pulley, but the hard part is finding the puller that fits under this lip for removal. Here's a power steering pulley remover and installer set by Mac Tools, and as you can see, the actual remover pieces are too thick to fit under this lip. Here's the OTC set that I use to install the pulley, but when it comes to the remover, it just won't clear, and I've tried different pullers with different pulleys, and it's always the same story. So here's a snap-on set, part number CJ3PSA, and one of the removers is just thin enough to fit under the pulley lip with a little persuasion. It's a tight fit, but it will get the job done, and this snap-on set can be picked up for around $150 used. But my goal is to make the OTC removal work, which require me to do a little grinding. And now that they fit, let's remove this pulley. You want to grab the puller, which is easily identified by the diagram, and thread the nut all the way down to the bottom. Then place it in the center just over the pulley lips. Then slide the two remover halves in place, and this sleeve goes around them to keep them from separating during use. I'm using a 21mm wrench to hold the nut still, and you can use a 16mm or a 5/8 socket to tighten the bolt.
All right, gentlemen, the money shot.
Buying the whole thing. Oh, there she is. Yeah.
Y'all just had to sit. That was the money shot.
Oh, that was the money shot.
Now y'all gonna be in the video.
What?
Oh, there she goes.
Oh,
yeah.
No, you can take
Y'all gonna be in the video, man.
Don't you
Damn.
I thought the sound.
Damn. No.
Well, we were talking
Try it
earlier
again,
while you
put
were
it back
doing
I'm
it.
gonna edit that out, but damn, that was the only one of those.
Put that back on there again. Just to show him again.
Two threads back
Yeah.
on there and do it again.
Yeah, try it again.
We've been
Get out of
talking
there.
That's
the whole
so
time.
fake.